Hey, what is up guys? My name is Oleg, this is Banane. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm gonna do a quick unboxing and give you my initial impressions of a very affordable Rolex Submariner homage from a company called Loreo watches. I came across this watch on AliExpress. It really piqued my interest because the specs, it seems like it has a sapphire crystal, and it is of course a Rolex Submariner homage with 200 meters of water resistance. It is an automatic watch, and all of that is around $63 US shipped to Canada. So of course I had to buy one for the review and to share with you guys. The package is finally here. Actually didn't take that long, about 2 weeks or so. That's pretty quick, especially for AliExpress timelines. I'm excited to open the box and see what it actually looks like. Let's get started. So the watch was actually shipped in this box, which I'm surprised about because I bought Courget watches before and Parnis watches, and none of them came in boxes. They all came pretty much in a plastic wrap. So that's impressive. 63 bucks. Already have a box, already winning. And here's the watch. Okay, so doesn't look too bad. Let's actually put it to the side for a second and just see what else is in the box, because I see that they included a pin removal tool. That's really awesome. 63 bucks, they included this. No other watch includes that. Some of them include like a little metal pin removal tool, but not this kind. So that's cool. Also has a warranty card, even kind of stamped here. That's cool. And feels pretty good actually. I still have the watch wrapped, obviously, as you can see. It has quite a bit of tape, quite a bit of protection. That's always nice to see. Signed crown, that's cool. Just a pressed metal clasp. Oh well. Seiko's multiple times the price of this watch still have metal pressed clasps, so I can't really blame them too much for that. A see-through case back showing the movement. So the movement on this watch, I think it's a seagull of some sort. Maybe if any of you guys know, please leave it in the comment section below. Let the rest of us know what type of movement it has. So as you can see, the watch comes pretty well protected. Let's actually unwrap it all and give you some close-ups of the watch without all the wrap. I got all the plastic off of this watch. As you can see, it looks pretty good. The finish is nothing to brag over, but it's alright. $63, not bad. One thing that surprised me when I was taking off the package, look at that. Solid end links, and of course solid links. That's cool to see. I wasn't expecting that. I was expecting hollow end links for sure. Just the push style pins. That's why we have this pin removal tool included. The color of the bezel and the color of the dial are alright. It does have this sunburst effect, which is cool. I think it also has a sapphire crystal. I'll do the test before I do the full review of this watch. But I think it has a sapphire crystal, and the bezel action, it's poor. It's very easy to turn. It's not satisfying. It sounds cheap. I think even through the camera you can feel how cheap it feels. The positive is it does align properly. No loom pimp. Interesting. Does it have a screw down crown? Ooh, it's screwed in very tightly. Whew. That took a lot of muscle. Alright, so it is a screw down crown. What is the water resistance? I think it says 200 meters. It'd be interesting to test that out to see how this watch performs in a swimming pool and just a glass of water on the table test. The legs are protruding quite a bit, so that's something that you will notice with a lot of Rolex Submariner homage watches. Overall, not too bad. In a few weeks time, I'll do another video about this watch and I'll give you all the positives and all the negatives, and then you can probably decide whether you want to buy one or not. But instead of doing a full review for this watch, what I'm actually going to do, I'm going to compare it to a different Rolex Submariner homage that I still have and that I just reviewed, an Invicta Pro Diver. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to do a side-by-side comparison between the two watches, and that video will act as sort of a review for this watch, at the same time hopefully help you decide between the two watches if you're in the position deciding between the two watches. I appreciate you watching this video until the end. Please give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to the channel, that helps a lot. And leave a comment. Let me know what you think about this Loreo watch. Do you have one in your collection? Are you looking to get one? Just give me some feedback on this watch. I always appreciate reading your comments. By the way, today on my wrist I'm wearing a vintage Baume & Mercier chronograph from 1950s. I did a full review of this watch. That video can be found on the channel. There's an interesting story behind it, so I suggest you check it out. I will also link it in the description below. Also in the description below, there is a secret link. Have a look if you're curious. Thanks for watching this one. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you had fun. See you guys next time. Bye.
No, there's no...
Wants to eat it. You like it?